Okay, 8th graders, we're going to work on the point slope formula. Again, and this time instead of giving the slope and then a point, you're just given 2 points. Okay? Let's start by reviewing what is the point slope formula that we're working with. We just wrote some equations in using the point slope formula. So what is that formula? Come on, you got this. What is it, Bailey?
Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1.
Good. Okay. And before we were given this number, and we were given these two numbers. Now we're just given these two numbers, but we're given another set. We're given 2 points instead of just 1 point. Well, if you have 2 points, can you find the slope? What is the slope formula? What is the slope formula? Y. What? Come on, 8th graders, you know this. Y minus?
Y minus 5 equals x minus 3
Over x2 minus x1. Yep. So the second coordinate of y minus the first coordinate of y, and the second coordinate of x minus the first coordinate of x. The difference in the y over the difference in the x. So if we have 2 points, we can find the slope, and then use one of the points to write our equation. Okay? So let's go through that. 0 minus 5 is the y2 minus y1 over 0 minus 3. You might want to copy this down. This is going to be part of your assignment. Okay?
Because we were doing the odds.
0 minus 3, which is negative 5 over negative 3. Okay? And then, that means it's positive. Because negative over negative is positive. So this is m. Alright? Now, it says, rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. So now, we're going to use one of these points, and you can pick whichever one you want. We're going to put it into this formula, and then solve it for y. Okay? We solved the other ones for y in the first section of this assignment. Then, we wrote the equation using m and a point in the second section, and now we're going to put those things together in the third section. So, what is m? What are we going to use? 5 over 3. And write y minus, then which numbers would be easier to work with? The zeros or 3 and 5? The zeros, yeah. Y minus 0 equals
Equals
5/3, yep.
times x minus 0.
Minus 0, yeah. Now, solve it for y. Y minus 0 is y, so we don't have to do anything, we don't have to get rid of a number on this side, it's just y minus 0. And that equals 5/3 times x.
5 x.
And 5/3 times 0 is 0.
So it's just up 5 over 3.
Now, think about this equation. Would this be a direct variation? Remember when any number that's direct variation goes through 0, 0. Is 0, 0 one of the points? Yeah. Yep. And 3, 5 is another one. If x is 3, then the 3's would cancel out, and y would equal 5. So those 2 points work. This is our equation in slope-intercept form. Right? So, that's what we're doing for today.
Now
Do you want to do
let's
another example?
Let's do some on the board so that each of us understand
Okay.
how to do it.
How about the people that already know that we have